the tree? Oh, you count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you call the duck. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, you call the bird. Oh, you kiss that one. Oh, you ano? You say apple. Yani, say apple.
Apple.
Very good. Okay, where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Come on, where's your mouth? Yani, where's your mouth? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? BC. Oh, where's the frog? Where's the frog? Where's the frog? Where is the frog? Yay! How about where's the cow? Cow. Cow. Where's the cow? Where is the cow? Yay! Very good. Oh, where's the Where's the owl? Panda and owl. Yun. Panda tsaka si owl. Oh, where's the duck? You call the duck. How about the the cat? Call the cat. Oh, airplane. Airplane. How about the airplane? What's the sound of the airplane? Galing ah. Oh, very good. Where's the light? Light. Where's the star? Doon din sa labas. Okay, where's Yani? Wow, very good, Yani. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Nakalimutan mo na? Where's your mouth? How about your ears? Where's your ears? Yeah, mouth. Where's your mouth? Very good. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're